Welcome to our electronic waste recycling line demonstration. Today, we are processing copper-clad laminate scraps, also known as CCL offcuts, a common waste material generated during PCB manufacturing. This recycling system is designed to recover valuable metals efficiently while reducing environmental impact. The first stage is the shredding machine. Next, the material enters the crusher. Here, the pre-shredded CCL is further reduced into small particles. After crushing, the material passes through a circular vibrating screen. The next step is the gravity separator. Using differences in density, this machine separates heavier copper particles from lighter non-metallic materials such as resin powder. The airflow and vibration work together to achieve an efficient primary separation. To further improve purity, the material then enters the electrostatic separator. This advanced system uses electrical conductivity differences to separate metals from non-metals. Conductive copper particles are attracted differently than insulating materials, resulting in high-purity metal recovery. This stage is especially important for electronic waste recycling, where maximum value extraction is required. Although today we are processing CCL scraps, this recycling line is also suitable for waste printed circuit boards, or PCBs. It is an ideal solution for electronic waste recycling companies, PCB manufacturers, and metal recovery facilities. By turning electronic waste into valuable resources, this system helps reduce landfill disposal and supports sustainable recycling practices. If you are looking for an efficient solution for PCB or CCL recycling, feel free to contact us for more information. Thank you for watching.